To remove this splash shield, I have a lot of things missing here. Push clips, another splash shield for me is missing, but basically I'm going to remove all my Phillips head screws that are holding this on. I'm going to go around, and there should be 3 at the front here. And then in the front, you'll also have some push clips. Yours might be different, just because mine are not original, but whatever push clip you have, pull it out on both sides. And then there should be 2 more over here. Mine are missing. And then all that's left holding this in is 2 screws on each side. Okay. Now this is going to want to drop down, pull it out from under the bumper. Let's unplug these connectors first, or not unplug them, but just detach them off of this radiator support. Okay, there's another one over here. And this is attached on the back side. So. Perfect. That's out of our way. So now let's get a 10mm socket, unbolt it. Last bolt. Now it's unbolted, and we have to pull the radiator or the bushings out of this support. I'm prying up on the radiator, down on this support, pushing this bushing straight through. Okay, that's unattached. Do the same to this side. There you go. Here's your old piece. Now we have to transfer over all these red tabs for the screws onto the new assembly. So squeeze the 2 ears together, push it down and through, and put it right into the new one. Let's just go along and do this for all of them. Perfect. Let's get the new piece up into place. When you put it onto this side, keep in mind that this wire was actually wrapped around this piece. So put it in like this, and then line it up with the other side as well. And then automatically these pieces will line up. I put a little bit of silicone paste on them. That way will slip in to the radiator support easily. And watch out for anything else that might be in your way. Press the bushings on, make sure they slide in. That way they're nice and secure. Situated on this side. As you can see, it's not fully in. There we go, that just popped on. Line up the bolt holes, bring it up, and now let's start in the bolts. Bring this side up. I'm going to start with this front bolt here because it's easier to reach. Start it in. I'm not going to bottom it out all the way. I want to start the other side in first. Push the other side up into place. Start the bolt, snug it up. Now let's start in the other one on this side. Okay. Snug this one up as well. Perfect. Plug in this wire on the back side to secure it in place, and plug in the small connector. Let's put up the splash shield, line it up with the bolt holes on the back here. Let's start in a few of the screws. There we go, this is going to hold it on for me. Okay. Make sure it gets tucked up underneath the bumper cover, and start this one in over here. And the one next to it. Let's snug these up. And then if you had these two push clips, go ahead and put those back. Now let's do the same thing to the other side. Stripped. And then you have two push clips at the front, or more, depends on what you had originally. Perfect.